What's up guys, Brittany here with Thumper Fab, and today I want to talk to you about an all-new product for the Ranger 1500 XD. This is our 3-inch lift. It's going to bring your lift up, make your machine look a lot meaner, give you a lot more ground clearance. In the front, you're going to have your 3-inch lift. In the back is your arms, where your shock, it bolts directly to your arm. You don't have to have your shocks turned all the way up, so you're going to have that smoother ride if you want it. I'm about 5'5", 5'4". Got a little bit of a heel on today, so as you can see, it definitely gives you some lift on this thing. It's going to allow you to run that massive 35-inch tire. Still has tons of ground clearance here. You're not going to rub. You're going to look good while doing it. So if you want to figure out ways to make your Ranger 1500 look just like this one, lift it up, a little bit more ground clearance, and it's going to look good and perform well, check us out, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you, and I'll see you on the trails.